Kettle is designed with dual voltage. You have here a 220. It's great for Europe or China. And you have here a 110. It works in the United States. It's a wonderful idea. You can always change voltage and take this kettle with you to go anywhere. To place the handle in upward position, you need to detach it first. You have here a little lock. You need to pull it toward the middle of the kettle and detach it. And then you need to place it upwards. You have arrows here showing it going up. Then let's open the kettle and fold it. And you have here a little hole and you place it right on the hook. That's it, it's good to go, ready to boil some water. To boil water, attach the cord. Add water. Close the lid. Plug this in. And turn on button.